Now, all of what we've said is great, but one of the most important things about a vacuum cleaner is how well does it suck? And literally, how does it work on bare floors, carpets, and rugs? And for me to test this, I have brought the special privilege, Ronnie. Ronnie is an expert when it comes to vacuum cleaners and also Miele vacuum cleaners, and he's brought stuff to test the HX2 Pro out.
I brought sand, dirt, cat and dog hair. We want to test it on hardwood floors, on the low pile carpet and a thick pile carpet, because we really don't know how it works. This is the first time we're testing this.
And to prove to you this is the first time, this literally is the dustbin. And I hope you can see it.
Brand new.
Brand new, it's never been used. So we have literally never used the HX2 on anything before. Now, what are we going to test it with?
The 60% more suction is something really I want to test. Now, I'm going to put some sand on the low pile carpet.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just gonna...
And on the hard floors. I also want to see how the new soft color brush works with this, because we never had that before. Although the brush that comes with this vacuum cleaner slows down on hardwood floors, it's nice and soft, it won't splash, but I want to see the new soft brush that they come with this. We never tried them.
This one also comes with a headlight. Now, before you do this, Ronnie, I have pet hair.
Oh yeah, bring them in.
Isn't that great? A vacuum comes with 2 batteries. You got no batteries there. You can...
This is the pet hair. This is the real pet hair. This is not one of those fake stuff. So we put some more here and there.
So we get...
Okay, pet hair, sand, pink sand, yellow sand, and dirt and coffee.
Can you go one pass and see how it does?
Suction number 1, the minimum suction.
Suction number 1, yes. Lowest suction. Headlight, yes. Very quiet.
Very quiet.
Fantastic.
Did you hear it?
You can hear it.
Now, when you go from hardwood floors to the carpet, it speeds up. The brush automatically detects that I'm on the carpet somehow, goes higher. I want to go to number 2.
Okay.
Higher suction.
Yep.
I didn't need to.
Yeah.
Higher suction.
There's suction.
Maximum.
Wow.
Hey, it's hard. I barely I can feel it. When you go on the 3rd suction, it really gets harder to push because of the suction resistance.
Yeah.
You feel it?
You can feel it. So if you're using this on your carpets and rugs and it's hard to push and pull, reduce the suction.
You don't need to. Number 1 was more than enough for all of them.
How about the other brush?
Let's test it. I'm gonna change the brush. You please put some dirt on hardwood floor.
This is specifically for hard floors. Is this better for you over here? Okay.
Now this, oh, by the way, look at the brush. It's still nice and clean. We did a lot of pet hair. There's nothing in here. But in case if you wanted to change or you wanted to clean with pair of scissors, cut, clean. Or with this button, you can open it up, open this, the whole thing comes out and you could clean it if it was any dirt in it. This is for the first time we want to put this brush on, see how this works. We can't believe how soft this brush is. But really,
I think I'm gonna make you work.
Do I have to change the brush? Absolutely not. This brush does both floors, but see how the soft brush does.
Sure. Let's see.
I'm gonna go this way so you can see it, okay? Remember you said on the comfort configuration is difficult to go under? Let's see if it does.
Well,
I'm gonna put some stuff right underneath here.
It's very useful. Let me see. Fantastic. Tough. It is impressive, and you could feel it's much more powerful than the previous.
The fact that it is self-standing, the fact that you don't have to make the holes and put it on the wall, and the joint that it pivots and is very nice and balanced, It's really amazing. I really loved it.
What if? Wow, that's a real test. Now you have pet hair and you have all that stuff. Let's see if you can. You're not supposed to be using that floor head on
I'm gonna
pits.
see how easily I'm gonna change it.
There we are. And here's your. This is good enough, right? This is a pile. Spread it out for you.
Sure, why
The
not?
real test of the HX2, I guess that would work.
There you go.
And I also do have a thicker carpet for you to try.
Ready?
See this one first.
1, 2, or 3.
Lowest
suction.
suction.
Number 1, the lowest suction.
No, something is good. I can see on it. Perfect. Perfect.
May I go to number 2 suction?
No, you're good. You've done the job. Perfect. Good. Okay.
Secure
I
pile
have
carpet.
Secure pile carpet. I want you to try this on.
Now, this is a pretty thick pile carpet, so let's see how it works on this. I'm gonna go with orange sand, yellow
I'll
sand.
bring you some pet hair.
Yeah. Coffee and dirt. You're very generous with this pet hair.
Yes, sir. It's a true test.
Okay. Now, allow me to go to number 2 section, okay?
Okay.
Echo. One, two. You will feel the agitator brush that actually helps you to move on, like almost self-propelled. Beautiful. And the headlight
The headlight is very
really
useful.
is really useful. Sample.
Surprisingly useful. It's bright.
It is very bright.
Very good.
Wow.
And how much tangling of the pet hair do you have?
I'm going to show you right away. So we're not cutting anything here. I want to see how much tangled hair we have in here.
We have this
This much.
for all that pet hair. It wasn't that bad.
And all you have to do, cut every few months, clean it up, and this is how I do it.
Okay, that's good.
Then use the same vacuum cleaner.
Ah. Okay. Perfect. Good job, Ronnie.
Very good.
Thank you very much. It's a pass.
It is a pass. We really love this.